For compensation administrators, the ability to design complex compensation plans, validate changes, and assign plans to payees is fundamental. In this demo, I'll demonstrate how these tasks can be performed efficiently and independently by business users, without any coding skills or help from IT. First, to facilitate compensation calculations, Nice SPM offers an Excel-like grid and functions that make it easy for users to leverage their existing Excel skills. For this demonstration, I'll be showing a transaction calculator, which calculates compensation based on the gross margin percentage. So within my calculator, all the way to the right in column D, I have a comments column that allows me to describe the calculations and functions that are being used within the calculator to aid maintainability. In column A, I have my inputs, so these can be payee fields, transaction fields, product fields, or plan fields that I want to use within my calculations. In column B, I define my outputs, so they may be things I want to show on reports or use to pay my payees, such as incentive percentage, incentive quantity, or incentive due. To define actual calculations, in the yellow cells, use standard Excel functions and syntax. For example, margin rates is essentially a VLOOKUP function, bringing in data from a reference table. In this case, I'm calling it passing in the transaction date and the margin percentage. The table has an effective date, a margin percentage, and finally a margin rate. Because it's effective dated, it allows me to control the rates that's returned based on the date of the transaction. So for transactions that occur prior to the 1st of July, I'll use the rates in blue, and after July, I'll use the rates in pink. I can also output the calculator directly to Excel for sharing or other views. Once you're done with design, you can easily validate the changes using the test button. The test mode uses existing transaction data to allow you to immediately examine output values and validate the results as expected without needing full data loads or mass recalculations. You can cycle through existing transactions or freeform in any of the input fields and hit recalculate to view the effect of your change. Finally, you can assign any number of payees to the plan using multiple filters that exactly match the desired payee segment. For example, I'm currently using the status field where anyone who is active, but I can refine this further by using any payee field I have, such as role. And I only want to include account managers who are in a status. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. I'd like to invite you to view our other self-sufficiency videos.